Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. Alright, let's begin. To set up a WhatsApp account in Inbox using a new phone number on Meta Business Suite, follow these steps. First, open Meta Business Suite and go to Inbox. Once there, select the WhatsApp tab. If you don't see it, here's what it looks like. Click on Get Started. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to create a WhatsApp business account with a new, unregistered phone number. After setup, you can start messaging contacts on WhatsApp directly from Inbox by entering their phone numbers. This process allows businesses to manage WhatsApp messages through Meta's platform and gives clients permission to contact you via your WhatsApp number. So that's basically how you can connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.